framework consists of three parts. One is the feed, the other one is the platform, which in this case is Google Studio, and the third one is the dynamic template that we created here at Elespacio. Basically, in simple words, it works something like this. First, we input a lot of data, a lot of information into this feed, which is a complex spreadsheet. This kind of information or data contains the audiences, text messages, image URLs, and, for example, weather conditions and time zones, besides other many types of data. Then we take this feed and input it to the platform. We can configure it there to create criteria. And with this criteria, we are able to make specific messages to target our users or people that are viewing the ad. And lastly, with this platform, we can send that information, that already pre-processed information, to our template, which is the banner, and then we can display specific content, creative content to them. It all started with the challenge of building an always-on campaign from Nespresso. It had to be always live, which was a big challenge. And besides this, we had to maintain the campaign throughout a year with creative messages, like updating all those messages throughout a year. So this was certainly one of the biggest challenges that we have come up in the studio. Fortunately, we have a really solid team, and we got together the developers, the designers, the managers. We came up with a solution which integrates all the three components of the workflow. So we came up with a product that is very solid, yet flexible enough to keep a campaign creative.
We did it from scratch because to reach the performance and quality standards that we desired, we realized that we needed to have control all over the components. Doing this in this way, in addition to achieve our goal, we developed tools, internal tools, that help us a lot when we set up new campaigns and animations. The animation process was evolving along the dynamic template and the feed. At the beginning, we had a lot of columns in the feed for the animations, and now we have an external file that includes a robust set of animation variables that allow us to do the animation process locally without having to update the feed content.